Welcome, my fellow Halloween enthusiasts and heart-filled fiends. We're conjuring up something not so scary but incredibly yummy. The big Frankenstein Rice Krispie treat. Plus, I've got 5 spook-tacular tips to help you craft the absolute best marshmallow treats for this Halloween or any time of the year. So grab your apron and let's get started with tip number 1. That's right. When it comes to the best marshmallow to Rice Krispie ratio, you need to use a scale to weigh out exactly 16 ounces of regular size jet puffed marshmallows. Tip number 2. The butter is an important ingredient that adds to the creamy taste of this recipe, so don't be scared to use the best. Now place 6 tablespoons of this delectable butter in a cauldron, a large heavy bottom pot over a low-medium heat. While that's melting, slice off another slab of the butter and thoroughly coat a 13 by 9 dish. Now that the butter is melting and the dish is ready, measure out 7 scoops of Rice Krispies and set that aside. Back at your pot, combine all of the marshmallows with the butter. Now is a great time to make sure you have your green food coloring close by. You'll be using it for your monster's ghoulish complexion. Now don't be in a rush. Be patient, my fiend. Slowly swirling and stirring the sticky concoction is a must. When it begins to come together with several big lumps, go ahead and stir in a big squeeze of the green coloring. That now brings us to tip number 3. Remove your goo from the heat before it's completely melted. You want a lumpy texture as you continue to stir. This will ensure a rich and creamy treat. It's time! Stir in the rice cereal until it's completely coated with the marshmallowy goodness. And that's where the real magic starts. Now add the mix to the prepared dish and begin to spread it evenly. Most recipes will suggest that you butter your hands to keep it from sticking. You can see that just doesn't work. I think we better use tip number 4 to eliminate this mess. Wetting your hands is the magical solution to this sticky nightmare. Now you can begin pressing your marshmallow treat firmly into the dish, and we can easily start bringing this monster to life. I want to share that I found this design inspiration from the real farmhouse on Pinterest. Now for tip number 5. When decorating your treats, always use quality chocolate. I always get mine from Hobby Lobby. You'll need around 1 cup and melt them in the microwave at 30-second intervals, or melt in a double boiler. Now, once your chocolate is melted, start with the hair, and perfection is definitely not necessary. Now to add the final touches that will really bring them to life. Don't forget those eyes, the windows to his sweet, sweet soul. There you have it, a monstrously tasty Big Frankenstein Rice Krispie treat. With these 5 tips, you're sure to create the absolute best marshmallow treats that even Dr. Frankenstein himself would be proud of. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy haunting and happy snacking.